Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple photos in CapCut. First thing is open up CapCut and create a new project. Now select one of the photos. So I'm gonna click on Photos right there, and I'm gonna pick this one and click on Add. Once you click on Add, you need to use two fingers to adjust it. Just select the photo right here and use two fingers to adjust it. You can move it to the top like this. Now, click anywhere to close this place, and you can also go back right there. Now click on Overlay and click on Add Overlay. Select the second photo and click on Add. You can use two fingers to adjust it as well. As you can see, you can click on anywhere to go back right there. Click on Overlay, and add multiple photos, as you can see. If you want to change the aspect ratio, click on anywhere. Let's go back and now scroll at this bottom menu, and you're going to see aspect ratio. You can pick any one of your choice, and you can now select the photos and rearrange them. As you can see, you can pick them and rearrange them. Very easy and straightforward. So as you can see, that is it. You can now export it. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe.